Sanjay sir. Sanjay.
Hi.
Hi. So you're enjoying your session, right?
Very much, very much,
Yeah.
very much.
And you bowled off spin.
Just now, yeah.
yeah.
Just trying to bowl it.
So what did the batsman do? Where
He
did he
tried
place
to
it?
he tried to just place it basically.
Okay. He just tried to like tap it and
That's
in the
correct.
gaps.
That's correct. Yeah.
And could you like improve on your next ball?
Yeah, I'll try to bowl a googly.
Try to bowl a googly and confuse his mind.
Yeah. Let's see.
Okay. Thank you.
Thanks.
Lovely, yaar, lovely.
Hello, Sandeep sir.
Hello.
Yeah, just a minute.
Sure.
So you're enjoying your session?
Absolutely.
You're a fast bowler, right?
Yeah. Try. I'm trying.
So you bowled at the net. What did you bowl?
A little bit of in swingers, a little bit of out swingers.
How did the batsman react to your ball?
I think they're playing well. They're getting into the groove.
Yeah.
Need some time for bowlers and batsmen to get back after 3 months break. So I guess everybody's getting there.
Yeah, and he's trying to place it through the gaps, right?
Yeah, he's trying. He's trying, but so am I. You know, I can place the fielders there. So
How could he improve at the next ball so you can try to get his wicket?
me, yeah, landed it in the right areas. That's the length. The line is all right. The length is a little bit, wavering at the minute.
Okay.
He'll get all right.
Okay. Thank you, Taro.
Thank you.
Hello, Hiren sir. Hiren sir. Hello, sir. Just 1 minute.
Yeah,
Have you been enjoying your session?
yeah, it's excellent.
Yeah. Yeah. What did you bowl to the batsman right here?
I was just bowling straight to the stumps.
Straight to the
Not
stumps.
trying anything.
What could you improve on? To
My
get-
bowling, especially. I've not been bowling for many years. Just started again.
Bowling.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Amber sir.
Hi Shantanu.
How's your session?
Good, it's going good. We are following all the rules, safety rules of this corona stuff. Keeping distance and everybody's carrying their own ball. Good session, it's very hot and humid, but it's
You've
going
been
good.
enjoying, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and what do you bowl?
I bowl leg spin, but I'm doing some time pass bowling here now, bowling some in-swing bowling, first sessions. So I do that.
Oh, and you bowled a ball. How could you improve?
What I can improve? I'm an old man. Now I have to improve or the ball will improve on his own.
Okay, thank you.
Bowling. Oh, wow. Superb bowling, yeah. Come on.
Sabdur sir. Sabdur sir. So you've been enjoying your session?
Oh yes, it's been amazing.
Yeah.
Good to have some cricket back in.
What do you bowl?
I bowl medium.
Medium pace.
Yeah.
And you just bowl. How could you improve?
Well, I have to work on my line and length. That's the most important thing for me, to control the ball. Especially now I'm bowling with a new ball, so that's my aim, to make sure that I control each and every ball delivery.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Mustafa sir. Hello sir. Have you been enjoying your session?
Yeah, very much.
Yeah.
Yes, you can see right now.
Yeah. And what did you just bowl to the bowler?
I just bowled outswing.
Outswing.
Yeah.
And
he could not play.
For next time, how could you improve your ball so like you can get the wicket?
I would like to bowl in the middle and put it outswing.
Okay. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Start.
चल के भी थोड़ा चल के भी
डाल के सब सर एक 2-3 राउंड डाल के पैडा बोल
ये शाबाश
Sameer sir.
ये नहीं ये एक्सेप्ट
Hi.
ये एक्सप्रेशन
So, are you enjoying your session?
Very much, very much. Been having a good time after a long break.
What do you bowl?
Well, usually I'm a wicket keeper, but I'm bowling here to just fill in.
What could you improve on your
Oh,
bowl?
in my batting, there's lots to improve. Bowling, yeah, because I don't bowl usually, so not looking at much improvement. But batting, yes.
Anything specific in your batting?
Well, I tend to go on the back foot. I want to start playing more on the front foot.
Okay.
So just working on that.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hi Ashibhai. I'm enjoying a session of bowling, continuous bowling for about 2 hours. It's too humid.
Yeah.
And waiting for the LM to start.
Yeah, absolutely looking forward to it, man.
But you're already sweating here out, and you're going to have energy rest of the season, or you guys are so desperate to play cricket?
Not really. Nets, as we all know, Nets is very intense.
Yeah.
Matches will be relatively easier. I don't mind playing in any weather. These weather conditions are not new to us. We are all used to it.
What about Mammoth's tour? Are they planning any tour this year? Because I think the tour to UK has been cancelled, and because of this thing, any other tours that's coming up?
Yeah, we are, but it's all subject to the travel protocols from each of the countries. I mean, definitely we would love to go out and play, but it all depends again. If they open up, then it's fine. If they
Great
don't,
initiatives.
then,
Great initiatives are from you, owners of Mammoths, getting Mammoths in action again. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ambe. God bless.
I told him to bowl even in the back. I told him. Hello. I don't have to. It has to be safe. Kajal Farooq, who is mine? Team's mine. He'll start winning here.
शिवा तू उसको नहीं बुलाया यहाँ पे प्रैक्टिस पे
Rajesh sir.
उसको नहीं बुलाया प्रैक्टिस पे
Hello sir.
Yeah.
Have you been enjoying your session?
Yeah, very nice.
You just bowl. What do you bowl?
The medium pacer.
And next ball, what could you improve to get like to get the batsman out?
Just I'm trying for a Yorker.
Yorker?
Yeah.
And in general in cricket, after like 3 months of playing or not playing, what do you think you can improve overall?
Now it's looking very nice to play again
Yeah.
after 3 months gap there.
Okay.
So anyway, waiting for the session to start as soon as possible for the matches there.
Thank you.
How are you? Enjoying the game?
Yeah.
What is this net session? Where your practices in Jabalali, right?
Yeah, in Jabalali.
And so you do keeping, huh?
Yes.
Which academy you go?
I go to G4's Cricket Academy.
G-Force, and this session what all are having, we are all following the safety things, right?
Yes.
What all are we doing? New balls and
We're doing new balls, a ball per person.
sitting arrangement, everything, right?
And mask and 6 feet difference.
So you're enjoying your session with this Mammoths team?
Yeah.
So you want to play for them or no?
Yeah, I know.
And what's the new cap you have there?
I got this by Mokon uncle because he said I was playing really well in a match, so he gifted this to me.
Wow, keep it up, boy. Shabash. Hi, Siddhi, you just finished your session of batting. You're doing really good on the slow wicket, huh?
Yeah.
And you're waiting for your UAE call, huh? You're already in the juniors and you're already in the camp for the national UAE team. So when is your practice starting actually?
We don't know yet. They haven't really said anything, but hopefully soon.
And you have become very fit, man. You lost weight and you're doing really good. And you had a brilliant season last year, right?
Yeah.
A lot of runs. And what happened to your bowling? You're going to continue bowling or no?
Yeah, hopefully I'll do some spot bowling and get back.
And you practice at home on everyday basis?
Not every day, but like every alternate day.
Very good, Siddhi. Keep it up and all the best and do good for UAE and hope to see you in the World Cup for UAE.
Thank you.
Hi Darshu. Hello. How are you, man? We are with Darshan Bagrani, youngster, under 19, Dubai cricket. And what's happening, man? You're practicing with Mammoths very hard, I'm looking to.
Yeah, good. It's good to be back after 3 months.
Bowling on these turning tracks, you're turning like, 90 degrees, 120 degrees, I don't know what degrees. So you're enjoying your sessions. So what are you working on? You've become very fit and you're enjoying yourself, looks like.
I have, in the 3 months, I've been working out, doing lots of different types of stuff every day. Practicing at home, spot bowling, maybe batting in the machine. has of course helped me in the break.
So what are you looking for once the season starts? What's your target? You want to get into UAE side? Are you eligible for under 19 UAE side, and you're going to work very hard and get into UAE side?
Of course, I would like to, of course, progress. And as last season I only played for the under 16, maybe bigger age groups, and maybe the national team soon, hopefully. And yeah.
Your star for Mammoths and the future for Mammoths. Good luck, Darshan. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
How are you? Yasibai, how are you?
I'm well.
Okay, good session with Mammoths.
Yes, not bad. It can be better.
And we thank you very much for your support for Mammoths, and we are doing really good. And hope to see you like a lot of runs this year. Good luck, man. How are you?
I'm good, Ambe. How about you?
Good. The Mammoths are back in action. This is, I think, 5th session we are having, and I think we're following the safety.
Back in action only in the cage. We need to get out from the cage.
And when are we going to do that, actually?
It's not very far away. Just trying to respect the rules what have been set. I think it's good. We are taking some good time, but we are making a good comeback.
Thank you, sir, and all the best. And what about your plans? What are you planning to do? You're going to be go more on the batting because you're not bowling nowadays, and your arm is getting stuck all the time. So what do you plan like?
This is nothing new, Ambe. Every season in the beginning, we had a 2.5 month, 3 months gap. So that kind of frozen my shoulder. It's coming back. Just now come back next to you. That's why I'm very eager to go inside.
And we have all the Pagraris here working very hard. Siddhi, Darshan, Shantanu. And what about the LOM? How is it going to happen? Is it going to come back or?
Go back to the regular thing. It's just that we want to wait for the facilities to open. Once the facilities are open, we are back in action in the same way.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, man.